Hey guys, today we're going to change the spark plugs on the Subaru Legacy, which is got the 2.5, same as a lot of the Subarus, the Outbacks. It'll all be the same. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button. Really helps me out a lot. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do the passenger side bank, because the driver's side bank you can do without taking anything out. So I'm going to show you how to do this side. The first thing you need to do, pop these fasteners out, and then you can wiggle this out of the way. Then we're going to need to remove the air box. We're going to first unhook a screw here, which you can see right there. So take that and that fastener right there out, and then unscrew this clamp and unhook this plug right here. Alright, so we've got the air box out, which it's got this long extension on it here. You just kind of got to wiggle it out of here. But now you can access your wires here. So you just pull these out like this, and then you can stick an extension with a 14 millimeter down in here and turn out your spark plug. Alright, so now I'm going to use my telescoping magnet here. I'll have some links in the description if you want to get one of these on Amazon. Spark plugs, wires. Oops. You can check those out in the description below. You see, just stick that in there. Pull that spark plug out just like that. So, at this point, you just put your new one in. Torque it down. And do the next one. You want to make sure you do these one at a time. That way you don't end up, mixing up your spark plug wires. So on the other bank over here for the rear, this is the setup that I had going here. Use this, I believe that's a 3-inch extension with this little stubby one. You had to stick this down in there first and then stick this guy on top. So that you could fit, but you can do some finagling to get in there. If this video is helpful to you, smash that thumbs up button, helps me out a lot, and comment if you want, helps out the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.